ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 tour of this approved use Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle in the long wheelbase. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact a member of our sales team on 0121 514 0632. So this lovely vehicle comes in a desirable deep black pearlescent paint colour. Across the front of the radiator grille we have some chrome strips for styling as well as some parking sensors along the front. This vehicle also comes with electric heated and power folding external mirrors. Taking a closer look at the alloy wheels, this vehicle comes with 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. This vehicle also comes with twin sliding rear doors fitted with privacy glass, making access into and out of the vehicle extremely easy. Taking a look now behind one of the sliding doors, we'll explore some of the interior. The interior of this long wheelbase Shuttle is finished with the circuit fabric in a titanium black. Seating in the Shuttle is extremely versatile with pull tabs as well as handles on the back side of the seat in order to make access into the rear even easier. The rear bench will fully fold down with a tab under the seat to adjust for any occasion. There are also sun visors for the rear bench as well as a climate control system on the roof for the rear and middle bench. Joining me now at the rear of the vehicle, this Shuttle will also come with rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. A lovely tailgate with a big rear window provides excellent visibility, as well as behind this we have the load area. The load area comes with some lashing points, making storing those heavy or fragile items more securely whilst on the road. Moving over to the driver's side of the vehicle, we can take a look at some more of that privacy glass and the other sliding door. Moving for a brief look at the interior now, this vehicle comes fitted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as an infotainment system and a lovely DSG gearbox. Up front we have a 2-passenger bench, as well as a driver's seat with 2 armrests fitted in that lovely circuit fabric. So ladies and gentlemen, that will conclude the 360 walk around. However, you can stick around while we will explore the interior in greater detail. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to give a member of our sales team a call on 0121 514 0632. So thank you for sticking around. On the driver's door we have the controls for those heated, electronically adjustable and power folding wing mirrors. On the right hand side of the 3-spoke multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel we have the controls for the trip computer, which allows the driver to completely customize their driver experience. On the left hand side we have the controls for the cruise control settings as well as a volume up and down. Moving over to the infotainment system itself, this vehicle comes with App Connect. App Connect allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favorite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. Listening to the radio is what you prefer to do on your drives, then this vehicle comes fitted with AM, FM, as well as DAB radio stations. In addition to this, the user can connect a Bluetooth audio device through the media setting. Shortly now, as I pop this gear lever into the reverse gear, it will display the coloured Park Pilot display on the infotainment system itself. Down at the climate control settings, this vehicle comes perfect for all weather round as it's fitted with air conditioning as well as separate control zones. This can be synced up to allow for one cool or hot temperature within the cab. 12-volt outlets as well as some USB-C outlets provide driver and passengers with some reliable charging solutions, as well as taking another look at the lovely circuit fabric in the titanium black. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of our sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.